What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Everything You Need to Know with me, Anthony from Easy Car Care. Hope you're all doing well today. And in this episode we're going to be covering something that you've all been waiting for a hell of a long time, and that is Graphene QD. So let's get into it. So what is graphene? Well, we know it's one of the strongest materials structurally known to man alongside diamonds. That's why women want diamonds. When you have your ding-dongs and they throw them at you, they ain't going to break. So when everything's hunky-dory again, they can ask for it back and put it back on the finger. We also know it's heat resistant, which is great when using on wheels. We know that it was first found in the 60s or thereabouts, but then it was rediscovered again in 2004 by two scientists at university right here in Manchester, apparently using sellotape. I haven't got a clue, but if you want to know more about it, feel free to go and use your Google, because the science behind it just boggles me. So now I've just had that little science lesson on graphene and what it is, let's talk about Quick Detailer and what does it do. So like traditional Quick Detailers, it gives you that layer of shininess, that deep gloss look that we all love to get at the end, that finished product where you just look at your car and go, whew, that's from the Quick Detailer side of it. It also gives you a layer of protection to help with the water beading off, sheeting off, helps against bird droppings, UV rays, all that malarkey, tree sap, everything like that. But because we've got graphene in there, it also helps protect against heat and corrosion. So when we talk about protection from the heat, what we mean is more in the summer months. When you see Postman Pat and he's got that red van, it's starting to go pink, this will help protect against the UV rays. You can also use it on your wheels because they get hot as well, so it'll protect against that. When we talk about corrosion, because of the way graphene is made up and the way it lies and protects on the panel, it'll help keep all the road salt out in the winter. So it does a good all-rounder. So, how have we got graphene into our Quick Detailer? Well, Granny's secrets are always best kept a secret, and so is this one. We know there's issues around the product splitting, stability issues and whatnot surrounding Graphene Quick Detailer, but Shah, our chemist, he smashed this one out the park. He's managed to disperse graphene within a Quick Detailer, and this is what we've ended up with. So, how do you apply Graphene QD? Well, first, grab yourself a bottle, give it a good shake. Always good practice to shake your products before use, just like you do with your juice. Then grab yourself a Works microfiber, 1 or 2 squirts into the cloth, but also this time around put 1 or 2 on the panel as well. Then apply it into a crosshatch pattern, leave it for a few minutes to adhere, maybe 1 or 2 minutes depending on the ambient temperature. Then grab yourself a lush buffing cloth and buff away. Once you've done that, it will reveal a nice deep glossy shine. Tips and tricks of this one, easy. 2 hours after you finish buffing the product off, leave it, let it gas, let it air out, whatever you class it as. And if you can, don't get it wet. We know you all like going out and throwing water all over your panels to see the beading and the sheeting and stuff, but please, if you can, don't. So what we've done in the meantime, we've let one cure in the detailing bay and we've took some shots of it for you. Enjoy. So, hope you enjoyed that video. Looks good, doesn't it? Second little tip for you, it works well at protecting rubber as well. So if you want to apply it to your tyres, just spray it on, wipe it round, and that's it. Easy mistake to use with this one, too much product. I know I've told you to, in the past, to apply it directly into your microfiber cloth, and on this one I've said apply it to the panel as well. So 2 sprays in the cloth, 2 on the panel, don't over apply it. And if you can, avoid it to any areas where you don't want it to go, i.e. windows. So, what can you pair Graphene QD with? As always, our lush buffing cloth. And if you've got it to hand and you've got time, use graphene wax and then use the Quick Detailer for maintenance washes. Perfect. And so, that's everything you need to know about graphene, our Quick Detailer. Hope you learned a thing or two, I know I certainly have. As always, if you found it helpful, interesting, drop us a like and a comment below, and if you don't already, hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.